So today we're going to learn about circles and the different parts of a circle. So first let's start out with the center. The center is always going to be the point right in the middle of your circle. So this is our center for this one, and we're just going to call it A. And also when you see a question where it says name the circle, you're always going to use the center point as the name. So the center and the name are the same thing. So whatever you have for the center, you're going to have for the name. So this center is A, and so that means our name is also going to be A. So the name of this circle is circle A. All right, so now let's look at the radius or radii. Radii is the same thing as radius, but it's a plural form of this word. So if you have 2 or more radius, then you're just going to call it radii. So when you look at your worksheet and it says radii, that's what you know it's going to be more than one radius. Okay, so the radius is simply the line segment that starts at the center and goes to the outer part of the circle, and it ends right there. So I can have a radius going this way. I can also make a radius going like here, because we see the line segment starts at the center and it ends on the outside of the circle. Another radius I could do, I could take it up here. D. So this is your radius. So simply it is the line segment that starts in the center and goes all the way to the outside of the circle. So I actually have 3 radii for this circle. So the first one I have is radius AB, because it goes from the center to the outside. I have a radius AC, and then lastly I have radius AD. So those are all of my radii for this circle. Alright, so now let's move on to diameter. The diameter is the line segment that goes all the way across the circle, and it also intersects the center point right here. So this line right here, line DC, is a diameter because it goes all the way across the circle and it intersects with point or center A. I could also have a diameter going this way if I wanted. So let's go ahead and draw that. So if I brought this line all the way to the other side of my circle, then this could be another diameter because it goes all the way across the circle and it intersects at the center point. So for this circle, I only have 2 diameters. So let's go ahead and name those. So the first one, I have diameter DC. And then I have diameter EB. For diameter, you're not going to use the center point when you name it. Just use the 2 points on the outer side of the circle. All right, lastly, we have our chord, and chord is almost like the diameter. It is simply just a line that goes all the way across the circle. And sometimes it can intersect the point, and sometimes it doesn't. But if you see a line like this that goes all the way across the circle, but it does not intersect at the center point, then it's automatically a chord. So we'll name this one F, G. So this is one chord that we have because, like I said, the line segment goes all the way across the circle, but it doesn't intersect at the center point. Diameters are a special type of chord, because there's still lines that go all the way across, but they do intersect at the center point. Another chord that you might see could be a line like this. See, it doesn't intersect at my center point, but it still goes all the way across my circle. My 2 points are on opposite sides of my circle. So we're just going to name the chords that don't intersect at the center point for this one. So the 2 chords I would have for that would be chord FG, and then chord HI. And then, like I said, remember diameter is just a special type of chord that you could use. So let's go ahead and name that one too, I guess, just so we don't get confused. So, all right, so those are all of your chords for this circle. And so this is how you're going to do your worksheet, and this is how you find the parts of a circle. If you have any questions, just let me know.